So guys, this is problem number, let me see. This is problem 43 from section 3.1. And this is the first one that we have that does not involve a unit circle. Yes, that makes the problem slightly more difficult. So what I have here, I'm gonna work on the angle, the value 9 pi over 8, which is really the angle first. 9 pi over 8, where is it? Well, I'm gonna take the pi, which is my upper half or lower half, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna cut it into 8 pieces. Where's 8 coming from? 8 is the denominator here. And that's exactly what I did. Okay? Now, what I'm gonna do now is show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's 8 in the bottom. 9 pi over 8, where does it fall? Where does this angle fall? Well, let's find out. Let's find out. 9 pi over 8, each is pi over 8. This is pi over 8, okay? 9 pi over 8, if you calculate it carefully, will fall right here at this point. Okay? And this will be your angle. It's in the third quadrant. Now, that's not a very good quadrant. For sine, my quadrant is the first and the fourth, or the right half, however you want to say it, right? So think about it a little bit. We'll do everything we have been doing. We're going to set it equal to theta. My bad. I'm going to set it equal to theta, and theta has to be in the right half. I understand that. By applying the definition of inverse function, I can say this. I can say this, sine theta equal to sine I can say this, right? Now this is where you have to be very careful and you have to genuinely understand what it is that we are trying to say. Again, I'm going to paraphrase it. I know sine of 9 pi over 8 is going to be the y coordinate of this point. Okay, the y coordinate of this point. Now I'm going to conclude the y coordinate of this point. I want to find theta in the right half of the unit circle so that the y coordinate of that angle will be same as 9 pi over 8, and this has to be the one. This has to be the one, guys. These 2 points, I don't have to know what the y coordinate is. Because of symmetry, I can tell this has to be the answer. This one. And what is this? I'm going to write it very nicely. What's this angle? This angle is actually going to be negative because it's going clockwise, pi over 8. And let's write it down. It's not really that bad. You're going to say, oh, let's do it here. You're going to say theta, my bad. Theta, sorry. Theta is equal to negative pi over 8. That's your answer. Why? Again, I'm going to repeat it, guys. My angle is 9 pi over 8, and that makes the point fall here. Okay, now I'm asking myself for what value of theta in the right half would make sine theta same as sine 9 pi over 8. It has to be this one because they have the same y coordinate. And this is simply this angle or this point, however you want to say it, is simply negative pi over 8, and that's your answer. Okay? Hope that makes sense.